This is Weekly Digest, Episode 1. 3 South Florida headlines, what we learned on the channel, and 3 doors worth walking, Saturday the 1st and Sunday the 2nd of August. First, the headlines, ranked by what changes the decision, not by the famous name. The Real Deal reported that young thug bought a newly completed 6,000 square foot Cooper City estate for $5 million in cash. The 7-bedroom home sits on 2 acres. It first asked $8 million while under construction last year, returned in May at just under $6 million, and closed another $1 million lower. That is what happened. What it means is that a finished trophy can still need a $3 million meeting with reality. Construction quality did not erase price discipline. This matters to large lot spec sellers in Western Broward and to buyers who can separate replacement cost from the seller's first number. Next, The Real Deal reported that Miami commissioners unanimously approved Ken Griffin's $2.98 million purchase of the land beneath a 121-year-old Brickell cottage near Citadel's future headquarters. The preservation group plans to move the building to Coconut Grove, funded by Griffin, but the preservation board still has to review and approve the plan. The move would also allow the preservation group to own both the cottage and its new land. The cottage is small. The consequence is not. It is the missing piece beside a development site bought for $363 million. This matters to Brickell stakeholders, who price land assemblage, public review, and timing as one package. The cottage has already moved once. In Miami, even the landmark has a commute. Third, The Real Deal reported that Larry Ellison paid $34.4 million for 2.2 acres beside his Manalapan estate. He paid $173 million for the adjoining 16-acre compound in 2022. The other piece of the 4-acre tract sold to a neighboring owner for $32 million. The read is optionality. At that level, the buyer is purchasing tomorrow's privacy as much as today's use. This matters to the rare seller beside an assembled compound, and to the ultra-luxury buyer deciding whether control of the boundary is worth more than another amenity. These are 3 individual transactions, not a market trend. The stronger pattern came from what we studied on the channel, how to choose an agent from outcomes instead of advertising. For one Pinecrest buyer brief, 84 matching homes sold, involving 104 agents. Once failed, canceled, and expired attempts were restored, the data expanded to 270 listing cycles and 186 agent names. The surprise was a home presented as a 26-day sale. That number was true, but it was the second attempt. The first attempt had sat for 6 months and failed. 26 days arrived 6 months late. The practical lesson is that a clean public clock can measure the successful episode while hiding the owner's full campaign. Agent comparisons need the first list date, the reductions, and the final result on both sides of the deal. One agent moved up because half the work was on the buyer's side. Another moved down because the fastest sale was a second attempt. That reconstructed timeline is the proprietary work we run every week. Subscribe, and the next one finds you on the channel's weekly cadence. Now to this weekend's tours. We picked 7 across Biscayne Point, Palm Island, Hibiscus Island, North Bay Island, and Keystone Point. The full addresses and a south to north route are in the description and on our website. Open house hours may change at the last minute, so confirm each schedule before leaving. First is 1141 North Biscayne Point Road. Glass House is a completed 2026 home, selling a rooftop terrace, retractable glass, and open bay frontage. Our data shows one listing cycle, 17 days old, unchanged at $15.9 million, about $3,700 per living square foot. The older $6 million history belongs to a 2,201 square foot predecessor, not this 4,299 square foot house. The history belongs to the house that left the site. This one is Waterfront, with a stated 107 feet. Our call, truly new and fully premium. We are verifying the permits and the finished condition of the seawall and dock. Second is 2096 Alamanda Drive. It sells a 4,300 square foot new build with an internal garden, pool, and convertible flex room. The current product began at $4.7 million in December. was canceled and returned in May at $4.495 million. Its true age is 217 days, not 72. One relist down about 4.4% to roughly $1,045 per living square foot. The clock got a haircut, not the house. Our history shows a $1,200,000 purchase in February 2024, but the old structure is not a relist of the new product. It is not Waterfront. Our call? The most motivated door with one uncertainty. Its marketing changes the bedroom and bathroom configuration. We are verifying the permitted final floor plan. Last is 12906 Cherry Road. It pitches the best waterfront value in gated Keystone Point. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, a pool, and no fixed bridges. This is one fresh listing cycle, 1 day old, with 0 relists at $2.55 million, about $1,536 per living square foot. It is waterfront, with a stated 75 feet. The owner paid $2.2 million in November 2022. That leaves only about 16%, or $350,000, above the purchase basis before costs and the advertised work. That is the paradox. Upgrades in the pitch, clean exit math in the price. Our call? The sharpest buyer conversation of the weekend, if the seawall, lift, and roof support the story. Next Thursday, we do it all again. Fresh South Florida headlines, the community that won your vote, and the surprises we found behind these doors. Watching before the weekend? Grab the route on our website and walk it for yourself. Watching after? Stay close. The walkthroughs, the grades, and the lessons are coming. Subscribe now and do not miss the next weekly digest. What does Big Data Realty offer you? We help you identify and connect with the agent whose results best match your needs. If you retain us through the transaction, we stay beside you as your analyst, supporting pricing, offer strategy, and every major decision, while your selected agent runs the deal. Visit our website to learn how it works. Big Data Realty. We run the numbers, you make the call.